Yo, what's good? It's Mike and Profit. Today we got a good trade on SPY. One thing I'm working on with my trading is just focusing on one pair, uh, one instrument, not looking on anything else. Just condensing my focus on one thing, not getting distracted. But yeah, got a good trade on SPY. Um, 3K on my 150K that I just got, and 1K on my 50K. Uh, After I got all my Apex accounts taken away from me, I had to take a little break. Now I'm back at it. But yeah, follow me on the journey. And if you want a Discord where you can talk to me, grow as a trader, and just talk about the charts, join in the description below. No charging anything. But yeah, this is the start of my vlogs. I ain't never made content like this before. So if you guys got any suggestions, let me know. But let's get it.
Hello, hey, Mike.
You already done? There you go.
Yo, Mike.
Oh shit!
I was trying to post in
I just
an
looked.
alert chat. I can't though. I don't got access.
Bro, congrats on those websites. You've been fucking killing that shit.
Killing it, bro. I've been seeing that shit too, bro. Nah, for sure though. You got to, bro.
He's like, hey man, I'd like to talk. My budget's $300. Could you?
On some locked in shit right now, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm up $12 right now, bro.
Nah, he's a straight grinder.
I'm up $12 on this property.
Mike, I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's how I always knew this was gonna work out. Was like when I got introduced like to you. I just like, dude, and I heard like your background, I heard your story, dude. I was like, dude, this is gonna work. I was like, he ain't no quitter. Yes, sir.
Oh shit, I forgot the mark.
Put the chef in the kitchen.
Today's lows. Holy shit.
We just bounced off the pivot. I'm low-key thinking we might rip, but I'm giving it another 15. Fuck.
Bro, I don't know why I'm trading micro ES, bro, but I think I know why though. I really don't, cause I know it's bad. Like, bro, like if you take a small loss on this bitch, bro, like that shit is a big loss on this fucking. I don't fucking know how to explain it, but you know what I'm talking about. Don't you when you trade a prop firm? Yeah. I literally just got 150K like this morning. Yeah, should I even trade ES? I mean, not ES, but micro ES, or should I just say fuck it and just try to pass this bitch fast?
I'm doing micro, bro. If I fuck around, for me, if I fuck around on the regular one, I mean, I'll probably pass it fast, but then once I get to the other phase, I'll probably start over leveraging and shit, bro. So that's just me.
No, I'm just trying to like I'm not even trying to think that I'm like trading with a prop account. I'm trying to think that like I'm trading with like somebody money, so I'm trying to play it safe. feel me?
Yeah, if you're trying to play it safe, I would do minis, e-minis, micro
Yeah.
e-mini, and just
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm only trading with 2 contracts.
Bro, you want to hear some funny shit?
I'm a scalper though, bro. So it's like it's kind of gonna be
What
like
up, Ryan?
take
Just
kinda
on my
long.
trade, so I'm done for today.
did you pass?
That's exactly what Mike said. I literally joined the chat. Mike, what's up, guys? And Mike's like, I'm done.
Oh god, bro.
Yeah, Mike.
No,
I was
dude. So my buddy in Belleville, he does IT work for like all the middle schools, like in the area. And he just texted us in our group chat. He goes, I'm so ate up. And my buddy goes, why? He was like, my car's got a speaker problem, so I had my mom drop me off at our business to get like a rental. He goes, just to drive to school and realize no one's there because it's I don't know if you guys remember this, but Pulaski Day.
Oh
What the
yeah.
fuck is plastic?
Yeah. He was like I literally showed up. He was like I went through all this work just to show up and nobody's here because they're off.
I never heard of that.
It's one of those stupid fucking holidays that
Who the fuck even celebrate that shit?
come from the guy that thought you thought Columbus Day was Columbus, Ohio.
Bro, I just don't celebrate shit. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I don't even celebrate holidays, bro. I'm not even gonna that. Nah, you gotta celebrate your birthday.
Nah, fuck, dude. I gave up celebrating my birthday when I was like 12. To me, it's just another day at this point.
My birthday, bro. Like,
Please go up.
I do, but I
Prove
don't.
me that I exit
But
right.
I do though, because I
Yes.
almost
Okay.
died, bro, and I feel like,
Good.
damn, I need to cherish my fucking life more. You know what I mean? No cap.
Yeah, I need another 2K to pass the count, but that's fine.